YouTube, it's your boy LOL Ned, and today I got a little surprise for y'all, man. So the vlog series is still going, but I'm putting my own little mix to it. It's gonna be, you know, it's already what did Ned do. I'm just finna spoil it for myself. But how y'all been? We on a good grind to 1K for a show. I'm too happy, bro. I don't know how I'm feel about this. I don't know how I'm feel about this. I'm just gonna stop talking, but I'm back for real, and y'all finna see why. But I'm gonna let y'all go and watch the video right here in a few minutes.
That shit hurt, but I gotta eat Pam now, fool. Dude, she put it in, dry that bit.
We are hit the freaking twin. Oh, what the?
What you say, Cam?
Twin.
Bitch.
Cart me, bitch.
That shit crazy, guys.
That's not even.
You gotta get out.
Leaving your shit.
Alright, put that camera on your car. Got the car on this bitch. So as you can see, me and my gang, I guess you wanna call it my crew, I guess you wanna call it my clique. Well, my niggas EAG. We had went to, well, some of the members, we had went to a car meet up in Tupelo, and they had some nice cars.
Boom. Ooh, well, don't scare me like that, man.
JD, how you feeling, JD?
Shit, I'm feeling good. I'm loving these cars. Have you seen that motherfucking Audi with the one headlight out over there?
Nah,
It's
well,
an Audi with the one headlight out. Like, he got a turbo on that bitch.
really?
Yeah. Right there. Oh, this is BMW.
Alright, Joy, how you feeling, bro? How you feeling about this? They got some car though.
What the fuck?
Got a little short. I'm gonna touch the short. Touch the short, JD. Touch the short. Touch the short. Lights and shit.
The Lambo? I ain't even see the Lambo.
Yeah, lamb truck.
Oh. My bad, too. I ain't even see the Lambo.
What Lambo is? Oh, yeah, Lambo's in the Lambo. Okay, so at the meet, they had the new 2026 Lambo. I forgot the name. But, bro, it looked real good. Oh, that been hard as hell. What? They pop out a lamb truck. Hey, man, I'm good with y'all when we get some action.
Shit, is that guy.
Ready to take it.
How you feel, Jody? How you feel, Jody?
Good, man. New car. Oh, man. I thank God. Went above. All money, man. Probably gonna move to Texas, you know, me and this thing.
Okay.
Drive to like 100 or something.
Okay.
Oh, look at the back. Engine in the back. Trunk in the front. Yo, engine in the back. Man. Oh, V8, man. He got my V8. Oh, man. Take it.
Boy, go and get it, JD. Go and get it.
Hey, you know that shit.
12, how you feeling, 12?
Oh, this.
Oh, I know that bitch got some power. That bitch spit fire from the side. That bitch spit fire from the side. Look at the tires.
Hey, this your cars, guys. What the steering look like?
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, that bit nasty. You got a nice ass car. Man, how you feeling, bro?
Heavy right
I'm in heaven today.
Like,
We just seen a lamb and a lamb truck. And pussy. Oh, yeah. Okay, so, you know, we seen all the cars coming in, this and that and third. You know, we seen this green Mustang. I like it. It that green on that car, man, it look good. But so we seen a G8, a Pontiac G8. I don't know what year it was. It was just in the beautiful orange color. Man, y'all. Let me stop talking.
G8 twin. This shit rare. Rare. I ain't gonna lie. This top one right here. Pontiac.
Pontiac.
Bitch, look, it number one twin. Number one. That's my dream car.
Hey, JDP did.
What?
You see?
Oh my, nitrous?
What y'all talking about? What y'all talking about?
Nitrous?
Oh my God.
Nitrous? What the fuck it is? I know what it is, but I don't know what it is.
There you go. Look at that fat ass wheel. Oh, what? Okay, so boom, everybody was just chit-chatting, just still like looking at the car. You know, we waited for some action to come out. So as soon as I said, I started thinking, man, where the action at? We have some, I'm like, oh, they stopped me sitting. I'm looking too. Man, tell me why it was just a car that come out. Well, we thought, boy.
What the hell? What the fuck that was? Look, hey, Bar, get that shit. Oh, sometimes it is, man. Something like crazy. Oh my.
Damn. There you go, guy. How you feel about that, guy?
Dude, that shit hurt, but I got it cam now, fool. Dude, she put it in, dry that bit. Ready to get off.
There we go. There we go. Check it. That shit feel weird as f. Oh shit, my bad.
Pop the hood, bro. I need to see what's under your shit too, gang. I'm stealing ideas, gang. Swear to God. Pop that shit. I got order tonight.
Somebody has to be sick.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, that motherfucker right there gonna do something. Okay, boom. Y'all remember that green Mustang I was telling y'all about? So Buddy had popped the hood cause the other dude in this Porsche. Was it a in this Porsche? He was like, they were trying to race. So Buddy said pop the hood. He said, okay. So he didn't want to pop it there first. So he ended up popping it. Boop. I'm talking about monster turbo. What? What I'm talking about DB? I said, good Lord.
It ain't nothing special, guys.
You know somebody say that? It's special. Ain't nothing special. It's special.
I gotta add that though. I mean, I gotta add it to you. Ain't that special?
You got headers on it?
I got lots of stuff.
I've heard.
That's a support.
Let me know that
Now this is where the fun happens. So my partner pulled up from work. He had just pulled up. Boy, they started getting nasty out there. But it sounded good. Boy, it sounded like heaven, boy.
Take your car, you go for my shit. My leg, bro.
I'm gonna get paid like a minute.
Hell yeah. It'd be hard. Yeah, right. gonna see his ass take off.
Whole time he leaving half everything.
Off like. Bar.
Turbo.
That's a damn Camaro, fool.
That bitch 64. JD shit look
That shit hard. Nigga said other line.
Yeah, she might have went hit that hoe too.
Cooking them, you hear me? I'm whipping it up, you hear me? Call me shit fine.
What you got up in it? What you got up in it?
Can't tell you that. It's my own recipe. But I'm gonna get one of these wings, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying?
I taste
Let the
it.
people know what they hitting like. Ooh, that sauce. Saucing and saucing and saucing on you. Quit playing. His finger looking good. We hit that number right there. Tell the people 1 to 10. 1 to 10.
Hot, good.
Yeah.
I can be good and hot.
Well, both.
It's good and hot.
Oh, shit. Is it sweet?
Man, trying to kill me, man. Yeah, got a little sweet.
It's sweet?
Mm-hmm. What you put in it?
In my own recipe.
Come on, right? Just let me on like a little hint.
Can't tell you that.
Oh my. But for real, like Dwayne, he did a good job, man. Dwayne's pretty
Oh,
good.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me try one. Sweet. God. More right there, right? My lip burning on the outside.
Mm-hmm.
It's like it. Goddamn, I can't even talk.
Okay, so I have recorded this part with the metals. These right here. So, so let me know if y'all like it, you know, with the camera and then the metals, because I was just trying something out. So I hope it turned out good. What was that, BMW earlier? That went past here earlier. That bitch pushing. Yeah, go ahead.
when you exit, I get a little pull. Go to the top.
I'm breaking into the plug. I can't do too much, but I'll give you a little.
I got you.
Ooh.
Slither that shit.
Slither.
Do it over. Like this.
Okay, so boom. We heard something. You can see my cameraman. I'm holding the camera right now. Well, not the camera. I'm on recording on my glasses. But my cameraman, he was like, he want to do like an intro. So, okay, I said, okay, boom, you can do one. So tell me why we heard something. Bah! So we looking at each other. We think it's like, you know, one of the cars doing it. So we wait. He did it again. Boom! Boom! So we said, oh, man, what kind of car is this? So we went down there and checked it out.
We are at the freaking Kermit Twin. We got some stuff out here. I ain't gonna curse. We got the
I ain't never seen the
black side over there.
The five with the side lights. They be hard.
Oh, God. They been sound like
All
that?
the tight shit. Shit, they got them K5.
Shit, I'm finna go do it.
Alright. Try my Mustang here for this.
Put a cam tune on your.
Who else probably pulling up with Jane?
Oh! Oh my God! you finna do it again? I'm not doing it. At the door. Bro, this the one I see. Y'all watch it. Alright. Finna do it again. You gonna blow it this time. Yeah, why everybody backing up, bro?
Damn. Hey, bro, your shit sound good as fuck, bro. Damn.
I got 2 girlfriends too. Man, that shit crazy. Oh my god, that is my boyfriend. No. I'ma hype you up. Ain't no way, cuz in that shit, bro. That gotta be. Why you still talking about that? Gotta be. You been talking about this nigga for 30 minutes. Hey, you started me on that nigga.
Around 400 on Comcast now.
I touched the hood. I touched the hood. Ooh. He got the vent. So don't like kind of be like kind of rough feeling. Damn, that's hard. I like this. Damn. This is hard. What year is it? How much you push?
Like 400 on Comcast.
You got the best one out here.
I appreciate it. I see one headlight with a glowing little other headlight coming down the road with no bump on the back. I'm just too bad. I'm gonna go. Don't even stop for me. Don't even downshift, no nothing. Just go ahead. Keep going. You pull over to the right. I pull over.
Oh, I got you. Let me hold it right here.
You know what I'm looking at? I swear that it's like that's a big ass motor though.
Wait, inline seat.
And it's so pretty. How often do you pull it out? Like put it out the garage and in the car? Yeah. All the time. I drive it to the coast a lot. We go to the coast? Yeah. I be on the coast. Ocean Springs? Yeah, I be. I gotta give a fuck. At the bar in the back. Just
Oh my god. That's wild. That'd be a night, dude. Wow.
I know the feeling. Oh my, that horsepower kick in. Watch. Ooh.
See.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Shit, this is small as hell.
take your seat, cuz.
I see you in it, twin.
I promise I can see you.
I can see you getting out of there.
Nah, man.
I can see you getting out of there.
Appreciate it.
Get you one, man.
I'm so thinking about it. Now it's time for some excitement.